Peptides are one of the most talked about topics in modern wellness and longevity, but they're also one of the most misunderstood. In this video, we're going to break down what the term research peptides actually means, why many peptides are offered through this research pathway, and how quality and transparency are protected, without hype, fear, or confusion. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules in the body. They help cells communicate and play important roles in repair, regeneration, metabolism, energy signaling, and recovery. Because of this, peptides have been widely studied for decades in scientific and academic research. What research peptides means? Research peptides are not prescription medications. They are not FDA-approved drugs, designated for research and educational purposes. This designation allows access to emerging science, maintains clear regulatory and ethical boundaries. This distinction helps protect both innovation and responsibility. Why research peptides are used? Many peptides are still actively being studied and refined, including their stability, purity, and how they work in the body. The research designation supports scientific exploration and data collection, allowing innovation to move forward without pharmaceutical claims. The focus remains on learning, not treating. Prescriptions are reserved for FDA-approved drugs with specific disease claims. Research peptides are different. They do not diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent illness. Instead, they exist in a separate category focused on investigation, education, and advancing wellness science responsibly. When it comes to peptides, quality isn't about labels, it's about standards. High-quality research peptides are third-party lab-tested, verified for purity and identity, made in controlled environments, and backed by certificates of analysis. Transparency and testing are what truly build trust. Peptides are powerful biological signals, which is why education always comes first. Understanding the science helps people make informed decisions, consider things responsibly, and respect both safety and research. Knowledge is essential before peptides are ever considered as part of a wellness strategy. Research peptides sit at the intersection of science, transparency, and innovation. When approached responsibly, they represent curiosity without claims, progress without shortcuts, and education before action. That perspective is what allows science to move forward with integrity. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and follow along for more science-forward education on peptides and wellness. And if you want to learn more, explore our educational resources at OptiBlissPeptides.com. Thanks for being here.